If you're new to Notion or just trying to understand how to use it more confidently, this quick 3-minute guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get comfortable fast. Think of this as a simple help guide that shows you how Notion works, how to move around, and how to build the basics without feeling overwhelmed. When you first open Notion, your workspace is made up of pages. A page can be anything: a note, a task list, a project board, a habit tracker, or even an entire dashboard. To create a new page, click New Page on the sidebar or press the spacebar on desktop. Inside every page, you'll use blocks. A block is just one piece of content: text, heading, bullet list, checklist, image, embed, or even a database. You can rearrange blocks anytime by dragging the 6-dot handle on the left, letting you design your layout however you like. One of the most powerful tools in Notion is the / command. Whenever you type, a menu pops up with every block and action you can use, like Toto for a checklist, image to add a picture, call out for highlighted info, or table to create a database. This shortcut saves time and helps you discover new features quickly. Databases are a big part of what makes Notion more than just a note-taking app. A database is a collection of items that you can organize using properties like dates, tags, status, numbers, files, or people. You can view the same database as a table, calendar, Kanban board, list, or gallery depending on how you want to see your information. For example, you can track tasks in a board view, switch to a calendar view to see deadlines, and use filters to only show what's important today. Every item inside a database is actually its own page, so you can open it and add notes, reminders, or attachments. Navigation in Notion is simple once you get used to it. Use the sidebar to jump between your main pages. If you want to move a page to a different folder, just drag it. Use the search bar at the top left to instantly find any page in your workspace, even if you only remember one word from it. If you want fast access to your most important pages, click the star icon to add them to your favorites. Formatting your content also helps you stay organized. Use # for headers, for bullet lists, for checkboxes, and greater than for quotes. You can also turn any block into a toggle to hide extra text and keep your page clean. If your pages start getting long, divide them into sections using dividers, columns, and icons to make everything visually clear. Sharing and collaboration are straightforward. Share a page with teammates by clicking Share and choosing their permissions, like view only or full editing access. You can comment on blocks, tag people with @mentions, and share updates in real time. If you ever feel stuck, Notion has a built-in help menu. Click the question mark icon at the bottom of your sidebar to access guides, templates, and video tutorials. Templates are especially helpful. You can choose a planner, habit tracker, project dashboard, or budget tracker and customize it instead of starting from scratch. With these basics, pages, blocks, / commands, databases, formatting, and navigation, you already know how to use Notion confidently. If you want, I can help you build your first workspace or customize a dashboard based on your needs.